Looking for the best folding treadmill to save space without sacrificing performance? In this video, we've rounded up the top folding treadmills that combine powerful features, smooth workouts, and compact designs for any home. Whether you're walking, jogging, or training for fitness goals, these picks offer convenience, comfort, and excellent value. Stay tuned to discover the best folding treadmill for your home. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series. The NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S dominates as the best folding treadmill because it refuses to sacrifice performance for compactness. This machine handles everything from recovery walks to tempo runs with the same stability you'd expect from a commercial gym treadmill. During my 6-week testing period, the 2.8 HP motor maintained consistent belt speed across 47 runs totaling 112 miles, never wavering even during 8 miles per hour intervals. As by far the best electric folding treadmill in our testing, the T-Series 6.5S eliminates the manual treadmill compromises that plague some ultra-budget models. The electric motor's precise speed control maintains consistent pacing that's essential for any type of interval training, while the automatic incline adjustment enables the progression of your workout, which is impossible with manual-only systems. The 10% maximum incline transforms basic cardio into a serious calorie-burning workout. I tested this against a flat-only competitor at identical speeds, and the incline option burned an additional 38 calories over a 30-minute session according to my chest strap heart rate monitor. That difference compounds over weeks and months of training. What really sets this treadmill apart is the KeyFlex cushioning technology. My knees typically ache after 4 to 5 miles on harder surfaces, but this deck's variable response cushioning kept me comfortable through multiple 6-mile runs. The cushioning flexes where your foot strikes but firms up during push-off, which mimics high-quality running tracks. Number 2. Horizon 7.4AT. The Horizon 7.4AT represents what happens when a commercial treadmill manufacturer builds a home folding model without compromising on the features serious runners demand. This best folding treadmill with incline technology uses a 3.5 continuous horsepower motor, the kind you find in $3,000 plus gym equipment, packaged in a surprisingly space-efficient frame. During sprint interval testing, the rapid sync motor transitioned from 6 miles per hour to 12 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds compared to 4.5 to 5.2 seconds on competing models. That responsiveness prevents the awkward acceleration lag that disrupts high-intensity interval training. This is the best folding treadmill with auto incline for serious runners due to its automatic elevation changes that enable complex hill interval workouts. Manual systems simply can't execute this type of workout. Also, the motor adjusts incline smoothly mid-workout, which allows you to focus on effort rather than stopping to twist adjustment knobs. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. If you're looking for a serious running machine that also happens to fold, then you can't do better than the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. Both Dengate and I really appreciated the feel of running on this machine, which has he called Goldilocks cushioning. The deck is firm enough that you don't feel like you're running on rubber but soft enough that it wasn't as hard on our joints as a road run would be. We were also sold on the quick controls for both speed and incline changes, which are both easy to identify and toggle. I found that it stops a bit more abruptly than other NordicTracks. It's not knock you off your feet fast, but there's a little learning curve. The Commercial 1750 has a large running surface, which I appreciate as someone who tends to wander on the mill a bit. All NordicTracks come with a trial subscription to iFit, the brand's virtual workout library, which gives you dozens of programs like marathon training companions, guided runs, and more. It costs extra after the first 30 days, but I think it's a distinctive and worthwhile option if you like a guided workout. Of course, you can run on this treadmill without iFit, too. Onto the folding, the frame is huge. It weighs over 300 pounds, so it needs the hydraulic lift help that gets it to fold. The process could be a hair easier, but the balanced weight makes it fairly simple. Moving the 1750, on the other hand, is tricky. Sure, it technically has wheels so that you can roll it around, but that requires tipping the machine and balancing it while you do. Once you place it, you can fold it, but you're better off leaving it where it is. Number 4. Matrix TF50. The Matrix TF50 earns its spot as our top choice for a folding treadmill by completely redefining the integration of commercial-grade hardware and customizable software. Instead of locking you into a single, proprietary interface, Matrix gives you the power of choice with 4 distinct console configurations: the clean, metric-focused 8.5-inch XR Blue LCD, or 3 premium HD touchscreens including the 10-inch XR, the 16-inch XR, and the CinemaScale 22-inch XUR. This modular approach is backed by an incredibly diverse array of programming. Runners can take advantage of the exclusive Sprint 8 high-intensity interval training (HIIT) protocol to torch fat and build muscle in just 20 minutes, explore the globe via immersive virtual active high-definition destination courses that automatically sync with the machine's movement, or dive into full iFit integration for access to thousands of live and on-demand coach-led studio and global workouts. The touchscreens even feature an open-source design with native entertainment apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, alongside an advanced HDMI port on the XR and XUR that allows you to mirror your own digital media devices, keeping you flawlessly engaged no matter how long the mileage gets. Number 5. Horizon T101. The Horizon T101 is widely regarded as one of the best values in the entry-level market, specifically designed for those who want a reliable, no-frills experience without a steep learning curve. Unlike high-end models that require expensive monthly subscriptions to function effectively, the T101 features a straightforward backlit LCD console that provides immediate access to your essential workout data. It focuses on the fundamentals of a solid walk or light jog, offering a 2.5 HP motor that runs quietly and efficiently. For users who value simplicity, the console includes quick dial controls to easily adjust speed and incline, and integrated Bluetooth speakers that let you stream your own entertainment without being locked into a specific ecosystem. Despite its budget-friendly price point, the T101 doesn't skimp on the practical design elements that make home fitness convenient. It utilizes the Featherlight folding hydraulic system, which allows the deck to be lowered gently and raised with minimal effort, making it ideal for multi-use living spaces. The 55 deck is equipped with 3-zone variable response cushioning, providing a firmer surface for the push-off and softer support in the landing zone to protect your joints.
Thank you for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.